Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video updates from me. So today I'll show you the unboxing video of Burberry small monogram print crossbody bag. The bag comes in a beautifully handcrafted classic Burberry gift bag. Luxury packaging always creates a sense of anticipation, but this really caused a thrill. The bag was made from a dark brown colored thick card with such a quality that is almost felt like fabric. It comes with a receipt and proof of purchase in a cute tan envelope embossed again with a golden Burberry logo. Always safely store it away and keep it precisely or preciously. You never know when you might need it. As far as I am concerned, Burberry have perfected their luxury packaging and has managed to make a huge brand impact through their choice of materials and processes. Furthermore, they have reinforced their values by using all British materials and working with post-consumer waste and certified sources to ensure they are doing their bit to help the environment. Burberry's latest design codes maintain the house's iconic heritage look. This brown small monogram stripe TB mini crossbody bag has the TB monogram and stripes through the front. That's TB for Thomas Burberry, of course, featuring a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, a fold-over top with magnetic closure, an internal slip pocket, an internal zipped pocket, leather trims, a gold tone logo plaque, and hand-painted edges. This petite crossbody bag from Burberry is a stylish and sustainable option for any edit. The material here, what they have used is cotton, calf leather, polyurethane, and the lining is the lambskin. It has an exterior pocket, as I said before, interior slip pockets, magnetic fastening, detachable adjustable strap, all over print, presented with a Burberry dust bag. I've always loved the Burberry brand with its classic English chic. When going with your first luxury purchase, my advice would be to stick to the classics. I feel you can't go wrong. And if for some reason you wish to resell the bag down the road, it will hold its resale value a lot better than a limited edition bag in some crazy color. I certainly do not plan to resell this bag. I want to use and enjoy this bag for many years to come. Buying 20 pieces can have the pitfall of dating your bag. It may be completely out of style the next season. A classic is a timeless piece you'll be proud to wear for a long time. I'm not saying there is not room for a trendy bag in any woman or girl's collection, but I would not advise it as a starter piece. The bag comes with a dust bag, as I said before, and that has a nice drawstring closer, which seems to be a favorite in the fashion world over the flap closers. So yeah, that's it. This is the unboxing video of Burberry small monogram print crossbody bag. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.